There are 4 screws here. I took this out. These were the screws that were in here. I took them out and went to Home Depot and brought these screws and the bolts. Make sure there's a big washer that fits into. I put some tissues in there so that these screws don't come out. And then I put it back here. And this is the connector if you need to know. Now I just need to put those 4 screws back in here. I put all the 4 bolts here. Sorry, screws. I know these are gonna turn, but somehow I'm going to put it on. So this wire goes in first. Here are the 2 screws, this one and this one. And now it's time to connect the connector. Just this way. I have tightened up both of the bolts with the impact gun. And now I'm gonna test this button. Yeah, so the button on this handle is working perfectly as it should. And the handle is also looking strong now, just like before. So now we are ready to put all these covers on this car. This cover on because of this thing. Your glass must be open. Goes first from here. And then you move underneath. One screw goes over here. And then this goes over here. This side goes in first. And then, okay, good. This little cover goes in here. Just like this. So our whole trunk is ready. This thing goes here. I think it is broken now. Yeah, it is broken now. I don't know how.